You find a new passion, you go all in, you buy the equipment, you watch every tutorial, you tell your friends about it, and then, 3 weeks later, it's collecting dust in the corner. Sound familiar? Right now, you probably have 14 browser tabs open, none of them related to each other. A half-read book on stoicism, next to a ukulele you played twice, a business idea in your notes app, an online course you bought 6 months ago, still at 500C. You start everything, you finish nothing. And the worst part? Tomorrow morning, you're going to wake up genuinely excited about something completely new. And people notice. Your parents say, you never stick with anything. Your teachers said, you have so much potential. If only you'd focus. Your friends joke about it. Oh, what's the new obsession this week? Society has one message for you. Pick a lane. Commit. Be normal. But you can't. You've tried. And every time you force yourself to choose just one thing, something inside you quietly dies. So late at night, when it's just you, you start to wonder, why can't I be like everyone else? Why do I always self-sabotage? What is actually wrong with me? You don't say it out loud, but somewhere deep down, you carry this quiet, heavy belief that you are broken, that you'll never build anything meaningful, that you'll spend your whole life starting over. And the guilt? The guilt is the worst part, because you know you're capable. You feel the potential inside you, but it never seems to go anywhere. But what if you were never broken? What if the way your brain works isn't a flaw, but a different operating system entirely? What if the world just never gave you the right framework? Because there's a name for what you are, and once you hear it, everything starts to make sense.